Alrighty, well, hello everybody. It has been about a month since we made our last video, and it has been a pretty busy month for us, but I think where I left you guys off was opening up the B74.1 kit. And now it is finished. I'm sorry I didn't make a build video, I'm just kind of lazy. But it is done. So currently we have a Trinity 13.5 slot machine with a 6,000 milliamp hour Redline battery, ProTech fan, Hobbywing ESC, and a Power HD servo, and obviously a Spectrum because Spectrum is better than Sandwall, we all know that. But if you're watching this video today, then you probably already know that the Trinity Slot Machine 13.5, 17.5, 21.5, all the stock spec motors are now outlawed or banned, because basically what happened was Trinity went through the check with Roar where they look at the motor, they write down all the parts, and they basically decided to, right after that, add a part that made the motor faster. So now, according to the Roar rules, they're banned right before a big tournament. So to switch motors, I have decided to buy a Hobbywing G4 13.5, pretty nice motor. I've used these G3s before, so I'm excited to see how the G4 is. So yeah, I guess let's just start installing it. And by the way, if you are wondering about this soldering iron right here, this is called a Pinecil, and this is probably one of the best soldering irons that I've ever used. You basically set it to a temperature and it heats up super quick. I will have a link in the description for this soldering iron if you guys want to take a look at it. Alrighty, so we now have the motor off and we can now install the new one. Alrighty, well, the motor is now put on just in the nick of time. It's about 3 days from FCC, so I'm glad we were able to get a motor at least. But, I mean, there's really not a lot to see, but, if you care. Do it! Alrighty, everyone, so thank you for watching this episode. I really just wanted to update you guys because I kind of ghosted the channel for a month, so we're sorry. But we are going to be uploading every single day of FCC. So yeah, I guess we'll just see you there. We're gonna be doing some live streams. We're gonna be making some shorts, all that fun stuff. But yeah, so I will see you on Wednesday when we're loading up the truck to leave. But other than that, peace out.